Alright, here's standard handheld GoPro, no gimbal. Sound is on automatic, so it switches between wind and stereo. Handheld, again, no gimbal. So, should sound pretty good. Okay, now we're on the gimbal. Audio is still on automatic. There's some panning. Probably hear a ton of motor noise right now. Yep, I suspect you hear that. Alright, now we're in wind noise only. Probably cleans up the audio some. You're not going to hear as much motor noise, although I'm sure you'll hear some right now. There's some panning, some tilting. So, let me know what you think. I don't think the audio is acceptable when used in a gimbal, but you let me know. Hopefully you can separate the audio files and I can delete the side microphone file or disable it.